Good morning, children. How are you? Are you all okay? Okay, all settled? We're back again, isn't it? Yes. So today you're going to have the first maths class, mathematics. And today what we're going to learn is fraction. What is it? Fraction. Did you learn in the first standard? Yes? Yes or no? Anyway, I do not know. So today we are going to learn. What you're going to learn? Fractions. What is fraction? Yes, now we will learn what is fraction. Now, whole of something, that means full of something when we divide. For example, now look at this. This is a sheet of paper. Now I'll fold this into half. See, I folded into half. Now it became 2 parts of 1. See, 2 parts of 1. This is a full sheet. Now how many parts it is made into? This is one part and this is another part. So how do we write that? Now 1 is the whole thing. See, whole paper is 1. Now how many pieces did I fold it into? Yes, I folded into 2. So how do we write? 1 by 2. So this is the way, this is called the fraction. So 1 whole piece is 1. And how many pieces we folded into? Yes, 2. So that we write it down. Okay. Now again, look at this paper. I folded into 2. Now I'm going to fold it once again. And now you see how many pieces now? 1. See, look carefully. 1. Then another folding here. Now 4 foldings are there, isn't it? So I made it into 4 parts. This one paper, I made it into 4 parts. So how do you write it as a fraction? First we'll write 1 full paper. No, yes, 1. The complete paper. And how many foldings, how many portions we made it into? Yes, we made it into how many portions? 4 portions. So how do we write that? 1 by 4. So this portion is 1 by 4. That means out of the 1 portion, only you are taken one small portion, that is 1 by 4. Again 1 by 4. 1 by 4. So 1 by 4, 4 1 by 4s make 1. 4 quarters. 1 by 4 means quarter. 1 by 4 makes whole. Now 2 halves. See, now it is 1 portion here, 1 portion here. 2 halves make 1. 2 halves make 1. Now again I'll show you. Look carefully, okay? It is color paper, double nice. I don't have color paper. Okay, I'll show you once again. Now again folding one more time. Okay, let me see how many foldings it will come to then. Look carefully. See how many foldings can you make out? There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So how do you write this as a fraction? Can you tell me? Yes, 1 by 8. That means 1 full thing we have made it into how many parts? 1 by 8. That means 8 parts. So this is 1 by 8 of the whole thing, isn't it? See, 1 by 8. 1. How many parts are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 parts. So how do you write as a fraction? 1 by 8. So this is called fraction. Okay. Now you're taking a lime. You know what is lime? Lemon. And you're cutting into half. When you cut into half, how do you write this as a fraction? Yes, 1 by 2. 2 pieces of one whole thing. Right? Okay. So that's what you're going to learn today. It's very easy, very simple, very very interesting also. Now look here. The shape that shows half. Which are the shapes that shows half? Now I'll draw some figures here. Now I'm drawing a circle here. Look at the circle. Can you see? Yes. Now this circle is full. Now we are going to make it half. And when we color it, the half portion, so now we will write this as 1/2. Now again, I'll draw another figure. I'm drawing a line in the middle. So this is 1/2, this is another half. Same way, this is 1/2, this is another half. This is also 1/2. Now, let me show another figure. Now, is this half? No, this is not half. But these two are halves. Now, let me see. Yes, these two also half. 1/2. This is also half. But this is not half. Only if you draw the line here, it becomes half. So you have to take off that line. Now, this figure shows half. Okay? Now, same way. Now, look at this. Look at these pictures here. Look carefully. Look at the first one. Look at the next one. And this one. And this one. There are 4 figures. There are 4 figures. Now, take the shapes that show half. This one, yes. So, tick here. This, no. This one, yeah, tick there. Does this show a half? No. Now, let's come to the next one. See, it's written here. Parts of whole are called fractions. Parts of whole. The whole part of that, when you divide, that is called, the parts of whole are called fractions. Keep in mind, parts of whole are called fractions. Then, let us learn about the different fractions of whole. Now, 1/2 means 1 out of 2 equal parts. 1/2 means, yes, 1 part of that equal, what is it? Yes, means 1 out of 2 equal parts. Out of 1, 2 equal parts are called half. See, this is 1, this is 2 equal parts. This is also 2 equal parts. This 2 is 2 equal parts. This 2 is 2 equal parts. That is called half. 2 equal parts are called half. So keep that in mind. And what is fraction? What we said? Yes, whole of a, parts of a whole, not whole of a part. Parts of a whole, yes, are called fractions. That means the whole thing, when you part it, when you divide it, that is called the fraction. That is called the fraction. How do you spell fraction? Fraction. I forgot to write that. Fractions, fraction. So, part of a whole is equally divided. That is half, and half becomes 1. See, parts of a whole are called fraction. Parts of a whole are called fraction. That is, can divide it into many parts. Then that is called fraction. Fractions, fraction. Parts of a whole are called fraction. Once again, parts of a whole are called fraction. Fractions, fractions. Now, here 1 indicates the number of part being referred. 1. We wrote first here 1. Isn't it? That means that indicates the number of parts have been referred. 2 indicates the total number of equal parts. Now here we wrote 2 here. Is that equal parts? That refers the equal parts. 1 means the whole thing, and the equal parts refers the number which is down. Okay. Now 2 halves together make a whole. Whole means full. 2 halves. Now these two halves or these two halves make a whole. Whole means full. So now here you can see the different shapes here or figures. All these are divided into 2 equal parts. 2 equal parts are called half. 2 equal parts are called half. Now here, next page, that's very interesting. Take your color pencil and be ready. Color each half, 1 half, okay. Color 1 half of each of the following shapes. This is your task which you can do today. It's very interesting. See, there are how many figures given here? 8. There are 6 figures given here. See, circle, a diamond, rectangle, triangle, again rectangle and half circle. So now this one portion, 1 half, you must shade it, you must color it. Use different color pencils and you can do it. Do this. This is for your homework today. Okay. Now look here. In this square you find 4 sweets. One in the 1 half and other in the other half. So this is half of 4. Half of 4 means when you divide equally, half into 4 is equals 4. Half into 4 is equals 4. I'll show you on the board here. Please look at the board, all of you. Look carefully. Half. This is 1 by 2. This is known as 1 by 2. What is it? 1 by 2. 1 by 2. That is half. 1 by 2 into 4. 1 by 2 into 4 is equals what? Equals 4. 1 by 2 into 4 is equals 4. Divide by 2 equals 2. 2. How many 2's are there in 4? Yes. 2. 2 2's are 4. See, 2 2's are 4. So, half into 4 is equals 4. Divide by 2 is equals 2. Next one. Next figure shows 1 by 8. 1 and 8 cups are here that you are dividing into half. So, half of 8 is equals. So, before that I forgot to write here. Half of 4. Half of 4 is equals half into 4. Okay, I forgot to write that. Half of 4 is equals half into 4 equals 4. Half into 4 is equals 4. And that when you divide by 2 parts, dividing this into 2 parts. 4 you are dividing into 2 parts, you get 2. 2 in each side you are getting. Same way, half of 8. Now look here. Half of 8. Half of 8 is equals, half of 8, it is equals half, okay, that is half into 8 is equals, what is it? 8 divided by 2. 8 divided by 2. All of you look there. Half of 8, that is equals half into 8 is equals 8 divided by 2. Now, how many 2's are there in 8? How many 2's are there? Yes, 4. That means when we divide, that is what it is shown here. When we divide 8 into 2 equal parts, you get 4. 4 is the answer. Now same way you can do this. Look how many are there? 2, 4, 6. Half of 6. First you must write half of 6 equals 6 divided by 2. 6 divided by 2. What is the answer? 3. Yes. So you have to divide this here. You have to show a divide this here. Put a line here. Okay. Draw a line here. Next one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Half of 10. Half of 10 is equal to 10 divided by 2. When you divide into 2, how many numbers you get? Yes, you get 5. So, draw here one line. Okay. This half, when you divide, you get 5. That's what you have to learn your tables. Right? Don't forget. So, tables only will help you to do this. Right. Next one. How many leaves are there? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Half of 12. So, half of 12, you must write here 12 equals 12 divided by 2. So, how many 2's are there in 12? Yes, 6. So, the answer is 6 here. The quotient is 6. And divide this into half. Count 6 and divide this. Alright? Okay. So, this is all for you today. I'm not giving you anything more. You just do it and learn the tables. Don't forget to learn the tables. Alright? Okay. So, do the sums. Now, we know what is fraction. A whole, yes, is divided into many parts. That is fraction. So, how many portions you divide? The whole, first it comes 1. Then, how many parts you are dividing? That number comes below. Okay? Right. So, learn that. Don't forget to learn your tables. Today, learn the table of 6 and 7. I know you have learned it. Again, once more you learn it. Okay, children? So, have a wonderful day. Bye.